How to view a TikTok profile without them knowing. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply view a TikTok profile without the knowing of anyone. So it is very easy. You just have to simply go into the TikTok. But before you go into the TikTok, make sure by going into the Play Store, the App Store, whichever device you're using, that your TikTok application has been updated or not. So once you do that, you again afterwards you're going to open up the TikTok application. After opening of the TikTok application, you're going to go into the profile, tapping on the profile icon at the right bottom corner of your screen. This kind of screen appears up. When this does, you just have to tap on that icon that is just beside that freelance icon at the top right corner of the screen. So once you do that, so you see already my profile views or my profile view history has been turned off. So once I eventually turn on, so to turn it off, you just have to go to this gear icon and you just have to uncheck or turn off your profile view history. This way nobody would be able to see your profile and you won't be notified. And if you see or if you get to view someone's profile, they don't get to know about you. So this is how to view a TikTok profile without them knowing. I hope this video was informative, and if you guys have any query or question, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. And if you guys really like the video and if it was informative, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel, and do click that bell icon. Till next time, peace.